is a couple different panels. They're all the same panels. This is like one of the better ones, but some are really cracked. And I don't really think, unless you just sat there and went through them all and complained, I don't think they would do anything. But I mean, the cracks are definitely all the way through. And you gotta seal these up. There's one here. This one's not too bad. Like some of them are like this, where it's got like micro cracking in it. You just cover the whole damn thing. Some are better, some are worse. But they seem to do pretty good. So anyway, I'm sure you guys have seen what they look like on the front. And they have these labels here. They're TRINA panels though. I mean, it's obvious. So, yeah. They seem to do better than these ones here, these Gloria ones, but I like the Gloria ones better because their manufacturer labels are intact and they're not cracked. So, it doesn't really matter which one you go with. Alright, so after applying the caulking, you gotta sit there and work it in. Some of these are actually easier to do than others. Some of them are really a pain in the butt, like this one. So this one wasn't too bad. But anyway, so that's what it's going to look like after I do them. You might be able to do a nicer job. I'm just trying to get it done. So you just get it to fill into the cracks. So it looks like the TRINA panels put out a lot more power. But it could be that 20 minutes, 30 minutes have lapsed and I've moved everything around. We got the heat gun going. We got 2 TRINA panels out there. So 25 amps. Got 2 panels. It's 7.7 coming off of the 2 in series, which is about what, you know, they're rated at. 358 watts. And I wish I could see what the open circuit voltage is, but we're under load right now. So anyways, this isn't too bad at all. Going in. The MPPT really does a job. I mean, you could either have 7 or 25 amps. You know, so if you had a PWM, you'd only be getting 7 amps and the rest would come out as heat. So anyway, I think these panels are pretty good. Haven't seen much over that yet. Heat gun's just dragging it down 1400 watts. Get these old batteries in this cheap ass inverter here. And these panels are just laying out here. The other one over there is one of those Gloria panels. They look really similar. But the frames on them are a little thicker and they feel a little bit flimsier. The TRINAs have the screws in them there. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. And obviously if you don't put them under load, you know, you can't really tell what they're doing. So you have to, you know, put your panels under load. I mean, like right now, they're just charging the battery up, but as soon as I click this on, go from 218 to 351. It's probably going to search around for a little bit. Let's see if we can. So yeah, we're like 25 amps. Now I could try the other panels again and see what happens with those. But anyway, this is what it concludes my test of these Santan Solar cracked back panels.